Look what came in the mail, and something I've been somewhat anticipating. Just get rid of that as well. Ah, yes. Yeah, it's a very limited edition, but don't make it buy something you don't need. And I guess this is also a free hood. That is, these are 399 Chinese yuan on Taobao, I believe, so this is a very welcome surprise. Under that, well, we have the papers. We have a very loud lens cap. Side here, more papers. The MTFs in Japanese, in Chinese, in English. The things you should know before you actually decide to spend a minimum salary of a helper in Hong Kong. The very nice lens cover made from leather. I won't be using it because I just put my lenses in the dry box, and here is the beautiful piece of glass. A very beautiful lens cap as well. This does look very, very nice. And on the other side as well. And it's the collapsible version is in LTM mount with an LLL adapter included, which is great, and we'll be looking at how it looks on the most beautiful and most useful LTM camera as well. I guess this bell rotates, so now it's very compact, and to make it go, just pull it out and lock in place. Focusing. Yeah. So the whole front rotates with the focusing motion now. That's expected. The aperture, oh, that clicks very well. That's beautiful. Right, so on Canon P, the lens doesn't collapse all the way because of the light baffles inside, and you use this pin for leverage. Like no big deal. I assume that it's hitting probably the light baffles in here. Like if we collapse it all the way, it does go in, and it does screw in with a little bit of force, and as you can see, the lens actually is extending. But to extend it to a full position, in whatever position you are in, you need to pull it out, and you can rotate it and catch it in that locked position. And then you're ready to go.